How to fix Instagram profile picture not changing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram profile picture not changing on Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, click on it, click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iPhone, go to your app store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you can't find any update here, just click on install. You will lose your account, but that will fix your problem and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.